I am at the hospital. Y'all, my chain popped. It's okay, it's okay. Okay, y'all, we finna tear this shit up. He eat goat. I ain't moving it. I said we said this for you. I ain't eating no chicken. That's what I'm saying. You're all my food. I gotta slow down, but I don't want to be over here throwing up. Y'all can't eat with no white shirt on. Y'all go check out 𝐒𝐿. We got the best burgers. We got the best wings. Stop playing with us, please.
Trapping through the snow, selling 9 heifer bricks and 4-way. Over the hills we go.
Good afternoon, y'all. I am at the hospital because I haven't been feeling good, but everything is all right. That's why I haven't been posting. I'm going to double upload, but your girl is good now. The baby's good. Everything's looking good. It's just I was dehydrated. I need to drink more water. Okay, so I'll see y'all later. Good afternoon, my goat mouth gang. I am back with another video of Vlogmas Day 6. I feel totally better from the clip that I took before, mind that. But we are gonna go take, say hey.
Yo.
We are gonna go take our baby to go see Santa Claus. My grandma had told us that Santa Claus is out there in the town, so we gonna go take her to see Santa Claus. And then today I gotta go to Gold Money because my chain had popped. It's so small, so I gotta go do that. I gotta go get that out of the way. But I'll be back when we get to Santa Claus. How about that? We just got here, and don't wear my glasses, but we just got here, and there's a whole bunch of people out here. My baby want to see Santa Claus. So look, they got this little jump house right here. They got the firefighter truck out here, and look how they just got, it's so nice. Hello. Oh my God. Hey y'all, I'm back. So we had already left the little event that it was doing, and now I'm at Gold Money, and I'm about to drop off my chain, y'all. My chain popped. It's okay, it's okay. But we finna go in there, and we finna get this taken to them so they can fix it, and I'm finna go come right back out. Okay, I'll be right back out. Hey, say hey.
You already know, man. You feel me? We at Gold Money Girls in the old, man. You know what time it is. Clocking in, man. You know we get them moves right.
And
this. You feel me? Getting you right. You want some rings and things, you know. MrsFlawda in the building. You feel me? We know we gotta get it right. Go on. Okay then.
Stop thinking. Say hey.
Hey, it's all there, man. Come tap in, man. Put your money where your mouth is. You already know what
Gleek, Gleek, Gleek. You heard him. You heard him.
Yeah,
look at the work. Oh, y'all got a whole bunch. Y'all got a whole bunch to do.
Niggas out there out of order, man. Y'all niggas dusty, man. Stack the gold money, man. Get the little thing, get the glee, and start dripping out you, man.
And not all that black shit either.
Not that who?
That black shit. You remember that man came here with them black golds the other day?
Nah. I'm gonna give y'all some advice, man. You wanna keep your goals for a long time. Keep your mouth clean. Brush your teeth in the morning. You hear me? You know what I'm saying?
No, for real. They play way. Okay, y'all. So we done came to this food hall, this new one that they made in Orlando, because they closed the other one down that we used to go to, and we're finna try it out. Cause it look like they got some good food on there. We're walking out the garage though. The Christmas tree. Okay, y'all. We about to try a sample of the curry chicken. This is curry chicken. That is good. I've had curry chicken so long. That was curry chicken? That was curry chicken? That's curry chicken, right? I'll get curry chicken. What you gonna get? Okay. So what else should I get on it? Something, everything that you eat. So let me see.
Hey, I can try the curry goat.
I don't want no goat.
I might get some curry goat.
I don't like no. He eat goat. I like lamb. Get something from a different menu. You should ask. Okay, so we're going to this other. Wait, y'all can't hear me. We're going to this other place. We're finna get some other wings over here too. Y'all It just say the food hall. Okay, so y'all. So we got 80/20 and we got KO's Jamaican Grill from the Great Southern Box Food Hall. So from 80/20, I got the signature burger. It got bacon, onions, tomatoes, and signature sauce on it. Here's the French fries, and here's the sweet Thai chili wings. Ooh, they look so good. And then from the Jamaican place, I'm not the only person eating all this now. I got curry chicken and oh my god, hold on. So boom, this the curry chicken, the macaroni, sweet plantains, and the cornbread, and we got a jerk chicken patty and a jerk patty. But okay, we finna try this. Come on. Y'all look at the burger. Wait, you eat it first because it got the bacon on it. And then I'm gonna take the bacon off. So I'm finna try the curry chicken. The curry chicken is definitely good. It is tender. And it got the bacon on it. I don't want to take it off. I love guava. The meat's so tender. This is the type of pickles I like. I don't like pickles, but these pickles are good. It's so juicy. The bacon looks so crispy to the bacon. Look at the bacon. So they really big. I can do the I got too. That's the type of shit that would piss me off. That was good. Let me try the french fries. Baby, how much french fries? The burger is good. I don't know what sauce they put on it, but it's good. Y'all, these wings. Okay, so this is sweet Thai. You got sweet Thai chili? This is sweet Thai chili, y'all. I'm gonna taste it without ranch first. I can taste the garlic on it. They gotta have garlic on it. This is good. Y'all, the wings are crispy. They're not too overcooked and they're not too undercooked. This is good. Yeah, I don't eat chicken like him, so. But y'all, no, that ass beef chicken wing is good. Take pictures yet?
You gonna do that anyway?
That's yeah. I don't eat chicken like him, so where you put it at? Really? Yeah, I don't eat chicken. You see how he eats his chicken? I don't eat chicken like that. Hey, them wings are good. Them wings are good. Them wings are good. I don't even know how to eat that. You eat this burger again. I ain't gonna lie to you. 80-20, get him like 5 stars. I'm gonna give him 10 stars. How about that? Yeah, it's another wing.
They 10 out of 10.
Definitely. It's the beat. That part is fluffy. I like it. You got that spicy shit. This gonna be our snack for later. I'm about to write
Look,
Y'all, I'll see y'all later when we get done, like, eating and put our stuff in the box if we do. Because we finna tear this shit up. Respectfully. It's giving me...